What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Ladies fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Ladies, looking pretty good. I gotta say for myself, ladies, it is looking pretty good. This is why you hold. You know, again, when it comes to meme coins, you just never know what could happen. I am still, I still think long term there could be some maybe a very nice move for ladies going into the bull cycle, because of the tier 1 exchange listings that it's listed on. Crypto.com, for example, there's not many crypto meme coins that are on Crypto.com. Ladies is one of the newer meme coins, still has great price discovery because it's brand new. There's 80 million users on Crypto.com, which I recently found out about, and to me that is bullish, right? 80 million users, and going into the next bull cycle, that could go 10x, 3x to 10x, right? And there's going to be so much FOMO into crypto projects, especially newer crypto projects that recently came out going into the bull cycle. And meme coins, especially when Pepe starts exploding, Shiba, Doge, people are going to be looking for a meme to buy, right? We saw dogecoin Mars, for example, that is listed on crypto.com, went through a huge explosion. And it's still holding up steadily right now, and we could potentially see the same thing here with Milady's going into the next bull cycle. So if you hold the project, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video, blow it up, make it go viral, share it with your friends and family on Twitter, social media, X, you name it. Right now, ladies, is sitting just under $20 million in market cap, $2.5 million in 24-hour trade volume, guys. We had a nice move up, and I'm hoping we hold this support level to continue up further from here for ladies. That's what I'm hoping for. And the exchange listings for ladies are phenomenal, man. KuCoin, Bybit, Huobi, Poloniex, Crypto.com. And there could be new exchange listings that happen as well, as long as the hype and awareness comes to the Milady project. Say it starts breaking out like crazy again, or we get another meme coin cycle. We get another meme coin cycle like we did when Pepe was breaking out. There had a ton of other meme coins that was breaking out. Mong, Turbo, Pogai, Wojak. There were so many other meme coins that were exploding with Pepe. Ladies was one of them, but Ladies to me is holding up much better than a lot of these other memes. I think a lot of them are kind of already fading off, right? Now, obviously they could make a comeback, but yeah, if we do get another meme coin season with Pepe exploding once again, Shiba for example, we could see Ladies explode as well, right? And I'm gonna be banking on, like I said, I expect the most of the volume for Ladies to be through Crypto.com. I think a ton of the new retail in the space, the US users, people in America, are the ones that's gonna send the Ladies price 10x to 100x from here. I'm not gonna rule that out, right? So even though right now we have this consolidation, long term going into the bull cycle, you just never know what could happen. So all of the people that was holding their bags of Ladies, I would suggest you just keep your exposure there. Obviously don't overinvest, don't invest too much into Ladies, right? Invest into strong altcoin projects. Invest into strong altcoin projects with more of your in fiat, the money that you have to invest. And just have a little bit of exposure to meme coins like Ladies, for example. If you could get 10 billion Ladies, that's $300. 10 billion, imagine you had $300 in SHIB when it was sitting at $20 million in market cap, and then it went to its all-time high, right? Let's take, for example, compare market cap, because you just never know what could happen going into the next bull cycle, right? So let's take a look. Compare market cap. Let's see real quick. Giving me a bit of a second to load here. There we go. Let's go Ladies. I don't know why it showed a Solana symbol. Let's go Shiba, right? And then let's go to compare. Let's go to the all-time high market cap. Even to That is insane. Even to go to Shiba's market cap right now, that is a 232x. And the all-time high market cap is 1,700x, right? Not saying that's gonna happen at all, right? But, you know, $300 to $69,000, $300 to $500,000, right? And these are the numbers we could see in a bull cycle, you know? Who's to say that you can't rule out these types of moves? Now, I'm not saying that's gonna happen. I think 10x to 100x is more conservative. 100x specifically is, you know, my target I would give, ladies, because it's a meme coin. Meme coins could 100x super fast, and obviously they could fall super fast, right? But yeah, even if it goes to half of Shiba's market cap right now, this is a 232x. So Shiba's current market cap is 5.5 billion. Even if it goes to half of what Shiba's market cap is, for ladies, that is still 100 or so x, 130x, 120, 110, 115x, right? Somewhere around that. So that's what I'm giving, ladies, you know. I think that 100x from here, 10 to 100x, anywhere in that range could potentially happen, but only going into the bull run. I think it's just gonna be super boring, just like how Shiba was at a point in time. It was just super boring price action. Nothing is going on, nobody talking about it. It's just very slow, very slow accumulation, consolidation. Just the chart would be like a stable coin pretty much, right? And then when new retail, new money finally starts to get into the space, finally we're bullish again, that's when you're gonna see the crazy pumps. That's when you're gonna see the crazy pumps, and it's gonna happen through crypto.com, and potentially if ladies also gets other tier ones, like for example Coinbase, Binance, and I think OKX. I don't think it's listed on OKX as yet. But that, to me, like I said, that's only going into the next bull market. So, you know, I would just have this, just a little bit of exposure. Like I said, once you have 10 billion, I think that's a great bag to have. A little bit of exposure, just leave that there, forget about it, you know, and then, you know, obviously diversify your portfolio into strong altcoins going into the bull cycle as well. And then who knows, come the bull cycle, that $300 could potentially turn into $30,000, right? 50,000, 100,000, you never know, right? Because this next bull cycle will be the biggest we've seen because of all the institutional money that's coming into the space. We've never seen institutional money like this come into the space with BlackRock and all the other ETFs that are going live potentially. And you never know if they start quantitative easing once again. There's a situation where they have to print even more money after all this quantitative tightening with the interest rates. You never know if we get a situation where there's a huge printing of money once again, stimulus checks once again. You never know, right? But like I said, you've never seen institutional money like we've seen. We've never seen institutional money like we are seeing now, with all the potential ETFs that are on the cards, BlackRock, all these others come into the space, right? So that's gonna be a huge start. That's gonna be a huge difference compared to all the previous bull cycles. Shine bright light, ladies, a cosmic meme coin superstar guiding your crypto journey to the infinite and beyond. Candyland meets Cryptoland with ladies as your sugar-coated tour guide to meme coin sweetness. Tacos, rainbows, and ladies, a recipe for meme coin fiesta that'll make your crypto taste buds dance. The Conga GM, good morning. So again, they're pretty, like I said, they're pretty much doing what Pepe is doing. I don't know what else they could do as far as catalysts. The only thing I could think of now is exchange listings, because it is a meme coin. There's no intrinsic value here, there's no utility here. So the only thing I could think of is maybe they could do their best for OKX listing, right? I think OKX is much easier to get listed on than Coinbase and Binance, so that would be a recommendation from me, an OKX listing, right? From Chaos Kane, since we last spoke on, ladies, you got your 8.3% move, a breakout, and you should have took your 60%, lady, and move further at 9%. I will hope you take a little piece of profit, support and resistance being calculated. Your stop loss now can be an entry. right? So we could see another move back up to the 3-1 range for ladies, right? We also have this chart here from SkyV, 23% up on from our entry. If it will go more, if price is able to hold here, that's exactly what I'm thinking. You take a look at the 1-day chart, well actually the 7-day. After this move up, we see the retrace. Now if it could continue to bounce up from here, that'd be super bullish for ladies, guys. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Really appreciate all the support as always. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you guys want the videos to continue for ladies, make sure you show support. Share this video with your friends and family, all the other ladies holders. Share it on Twitter, share it constantly. Get this video up, blow it up, guys. And you know, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell, comment your replies. Let me see what you got to say. I love reading your comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.